Gig culture has taken over America. According to Bankrate, 36% of the population, about 44 million Americans, have a side hustle. Here's our list of the top 10 apps for simple side gigs in 2019. With Uber, you can drive people around for about $19 per hour plus tips. Sign up for Chege and you can tutor kids online for about $20 per hour. With TaskRabbit, perform tasks like moving, furniture assembly, or dropping stuff off. How about delivering restaurant food to customers? Sign up for DoorDash. You can make some extra cash from Airbnb by renting your space to vacationers. Fiverr is possibly the most popular site out there for artistic freelance work. Are you an animal lover? Pet sit or walk dogs with Rover. With Upwork, get specialized freelance work for writing, administrative support, or web development. Go grocery shopping for someone else and get paid with Instacart. By working with Postmates, you can drop off food or office supplies for up to $25 per hour.